you are abandoning yourself. So let me tell you some signs. In this video, I want to tell you signs you are abandoning yourself. So, yeah. Hello, my friend, dear Unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. I want to tell you about signs you are abandoning yourself, neglecting your physical health, overextending yourself, not prioritizing your needs, allowing, I've so many people, allowing unhealthy relationships, people pleasing, avoiding self-care, ignoring your intuition, settling for less, self-blame, living on autopilot, suppressing your creativity, avoiding conflict, isolating yourself. One important thing, not staying firm in your boundaries, seeking distraction to numb, loss of self-respect. I've seen this in many people these days. Compromising your core values, ignoring your emotions. Oh my God, so many people doing this. Ignoring your emotions, not asking or accepting help, saying things are fine, but it's not. Seeking external validation, hiding your authentic self. You're doing this. Having codependent relationships, not speaking up for yourself, criticizing or judging yourself. You're doing this always. I know that. Prioritizing others' needs above yours. Why? Why are you doing these mistakes? If you're doing this, these signs, so you are abandoning yourself. You have to respect yourself. You have to think about just yourself. No, you are not selfish. You are being self-full. And that's so important. Okay? So, I think this is it. So, take care of yourself. And always remember, no one can take your place. And also, you cannot take someone else's place. So focus on yourself, your energy, your beautiful body, your beautiful mind, your beautiful soul if you believe. And if you like my video, share it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and write a comment for me. And yeah, I love you. Bye.